What's up, my Dajaybie squad? Today I'm back at it again with another video. Feeling happy, blessed, and beautiful as always. Listen, I'm so happy to be back on this video. As you guys can see, I have a lot that I have to do today. I've been seeing this video circle around YouTube like forever, as far as clean my room with me, clean my closet with me, clean with me, just this video. And let me tell you guys something. My room isn't dirty, but I do need to spruce it up a little bit. I mean vacuum, I mean straighten up, all that good stuff, because it's been a while. It's been a while. I've been working hard and time just slipped off my hands, for real. So I'm going to be doing this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys want to see more like this, make sure to comment down in the description box below, and also make sure to hit that subscribe button right there. Like you guys already know, hit that subscribe button, show your girls some love, you know, comment down section below, stay tuned, click the bell button if you want to, you know, be the first one to watch my videos, of course. But let's just hop into this video, and yeah. Okay guys, so basically, just so you guys don't think I'm weird, I put my hair in a half up, half down because I'm cleaning my room and stuff like that, and don't want the hair in the face. But basically what I'm going to be doing is, I think I'm going to start with making my bed, because I literally just woke up and did all that fun stuff, my hair and all that. So I think I'm gonna start with making my bed. Okay, so basically I have to make my bed. First, if you guys are wondering why pillows are on this side, it's because I sleep on that side and I just don't feel like changing or fixing any of those pillows. So let me do that. Okay, so now this is like my, I guess, downstairs stuff. So that's the stuff that I have to take downstairs, dump out, clean, do all that good stuff. Over here is like my toothpaste and stuff, and my deodorants that I usually use. My camera, my surveillance camera, my deodorant, and then this is my cup. Usually put my camera like back here, so that's why I'm not really putting anything there, with my makeup brushes. And then I have the Windex, which I already used in this area. I have to clean my room with me, the sock in the back. This is the outfit, by the way. But yeah, so I have my Windex and all that there, and then the water that I'm drinking, so I'll just leave that there. And I guess I can leave that. These are like all my songs and stuff that I've been working on. My jacket can go on the bed, and then this is the pillow that usually is on the bed as well. So that's the finishing touch of the bed. Okay, so now that I did all of that, I have to get this laundry and stuff out of here, and my Fila's and stuff out of here because it's like a mess. See? So yeah, these are my Fila's and stuff that I probably should put in the closet. I'm just gonna put them there for now. And then this is my shirt that I'm gonna put up here. This is dirty clothes. So all these clothes here that are sitting on top is clothes that I just did not fold. So I'm gonna put that on top of here for now with my luggage until I can find like a spot for them. I have so many clothes. Why is this camera? Okay. I have so many clothes, it's not even funny. As you can see, dirty hamper. So I'm just gonna put that here because I honestly don't do laundry until Sundays. So that's why I usually wait, because I normally don't have time to be doing laundry like during the weekdays and stuff. I usually like to kind of just wait it out. And then I got my Virgo cup. You guys know my famous Virgo cup that I usually just sit on my vanity. So honestly, that was like really it. This is like the overview, but honestly that's really it. I cleaned everything over here. In this corner right here, there was a sock and everything like that. My hamper and stuff is clean. These are just like booties that I usually put in this corner. These are my wigs that I usually put up. I have to get wig heads eventually. And then this is like my makeup. This stuff I'm taking downstairs, so it will literally be all cleared out. And then this over here is going to be like my corner where you have all of the makeup, and you also have my lotion, they're sighing. My lotion, my deodorant, and my toothbrush and stuff like that. Yes, I'm talking to my girl Zai while I'm doing this video. She just keeps me motivated. But that was really it, honestly, as far as my room. Like I said, I really do not keep clutter in my room. I just don't do it. As far as like, I guess, a messy, clean with me room, it's just really about just straightening up. Most of the time during the week, I always try to stay as clean as possible, as clean as I can. Like I just don't want to be in a messy space. I want my space to be clean. So most of the time I keep my space clean, and then during the week I just straighten up. And then on Sunday I usually do heavy cleaning or whatever that is. But I really don't have those issues like that. But yeah, but if you guys like this video, if you guys want more videos like this, I guess this was just like a quick cute little video. But make sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Make sure to also turn those post notifications on, so you guys get a notification on every single post that I do. I love you guys so much. Comment in the comment section down below of what videos you guys want to see from me next, and thank you for the love on my channel. Bye.